Chapter 2, The Essence of Change. Hi students, welcome to our world of science, and we are discussing our second chapter, The Essence of Change. In that we have discussed about energy. What do you mean by energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. ഏതൊരു ജോലി ചെയ്യാനും നമുക്ക് energy വേണമല്ലേ? That's why we are eating food. Like that, for every purpose, for every activities, for the working of different gadgets, we need energy. So, it is clear that there are different forms of energy. For example, light energy, heat energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, etc. And these forms of energy can be transformed from one form to another. In different situations, we can see that one form of energy is transformed to another form. Is it clear, students? Look at these pictures. Burning of a firewood, bursting of a cracker, and lighting of a torch. These are the three situations seen in your textbook. So, when we look at the three pictures in your textbook, page number 23, you can see three pictures. First situation is a burning of a firewood for a cooking purpose, and the second one, a cracker. It's the picture of a cracker that is burnt or exploded, and the third situation is lighting of a torch. Okay, so what all are the energy changes during the situation? In the first situation, that is while a firewood is burnt, we can see that the chemical energy that is contained in the firewood is transformed into heat energy, and also light is also produced. Light energy is also produced, but we are making use of its heat energy. Clear? And second situation is burning of a cracker. While a cracker is burnt or exploded, light energy is produced, heat energy is produced. In addition to that, sound energy is also produced. Is it clear? So, we are making use of it, sound energy, light energy, in the second situation. In the third situation is the lighting of a torch. While a torch is lit, we can see that the chemical energy that is contained in the batteries of torch is converted to electrical energy, and that electrical energy is further converted to light energy plus heat energy. But in the third situation, we are making use of light energy. Is it clear? So, based on these three pictures or the three different situations, it is clear that one form of energy is transformed to another form. In the first situation, that is the burning of a firewood, chemical energy is converted to heat energy. While a cracker is burnt, chemical energy is converted to light plus sound energy. And while a torch is lit, chemical energy is converted to light energy. So in different situations in our daily life, we can see that one form of energy is transformed to another form. So we can say that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can only transform from one form to another. That is known as the law of energy. Is it clear, students?